Hi everyone, welcome to Simple Steps. We got another problem today. It says x to the power of square root of y minus y is equal to 20. And we are required to find the value of x and y. Let's get into the solution, but please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. So we have x to the power of root y minus y equal to 20. Now, to make everything easier, we can let a to be equal to x to the power of root y and b to be equal to y. Then our equation becomes a minus b equal to 20. Now looking at the equation, we have a minus b equal to 20. Our 20 is positive. This implies that a is greater than b. And we can write a equal to kb. Therefore, instead of a, we substitute kb. Then we have kb minus b equal to 20. We factor out b. Then we have k minus 1 equal to 20. Now, we look for factors of 20 in order to solve this equation. Two factors of 20. These factors are, we have 1 multiplied by 20, and we have 2 multiplied by 20, and we have 4 multiplied by, 2 multiplied by 10, and we have 4 multiplied by 5. Then b into k minus 1 is equal to 1 multiplied by 20. We can take b to be equal to 1 and k minus 1 to be equal to 20, which implies that k is equal to 21. Now, at the initial stage, we let b to be equal to y, but b is equal to 1. This implies that y is equal to 1. Now, for us to get the value of y, then we refer back to our a. We let a to be equal to kb, but k is the same thing as 21 and b is the same thing as 1. Therefore, our value of a is equal to 21 multiplied by 1. Now a is equal to 21. But we have our value of a as x to the power of y. We let a to be equal to x to the power of y, and our a now is 21. Therefore, we have 21 equal to x to the power of root y. But our value of y is 1. Therefore, 21 is equal to x to the power of 1. Now, x is equal to 21. This is the first value of x, and this is the first value of y. Then we move to the next factors, which is 2 multiplied by 10. Now, we have b into k minus 1 equal to 2 multiplied by 10. Then we take b equal to 2 and k minus 1 equal to 10, which implies that k is equal to 11. Now, but our b, we equate it with y, and b equal to 2. This implies that y is equal to 2. This is the second value of y. In order to get the value of x, we have to refer back to our a. Our a, we equate it to be kb. Now a is equal to our k is 11 multiplied by b, and b is 2. Therefore a is equal to 22. Now, if you remember, we let a to be equal to x to the power of root y. And now our a is 22. Therefore, we have 22 to be equal to x to the power of root y. But our value of y is 2. Therefore, we put root 2. Now, we want to get the value of x. Therefore, this is the same thing as 22 equal to x to the power of root 2. And we can multiply both sides of the equation by the power of 1 divided by root 2. So multiply here by the power of 1 divided by root 2, and here 1 divided by root 2. Therefore, we have 22 to the power of 1 divided by root 2. And here root 2 can cancel root 2. Then we will be left with x. This is the second value of x. Now, to get the third solution, then we use the factors that says 4 multiplied by 5. Then we have b into k minus 1 equal to 4 multiplied by 5. Therefore, b equal to 4 and k minus 1 to be equal to 5, which implies that k is equal to 6. Now, since b is equal to 4, and we let b to be equal to y, we let b equal to y at initial stage. This implies that our value of y is equal to 4. Now, to get the value of x, we refer back to our a, which is equal to, we equate it as kb. And a is equal to, our k here is 6 multiplied by our b here is 4. Now a is equal to 6 times 4 is equal to 24. But you remember, we already let a to be equal to x to the power of root y. And now a is the same thing as 24. Therefore, we have 24 equal to x to the power of root y. But y is 4. We put 4. Now we have 24 equal to x to the power of 2. From here, we can take square root of both sides. We take square root of this place, we take square root of this place. And this one is the same thing as square root of 4 multiplied by 6, which is equal to, here root can cancel square and we will be left with x. Now let's copy this place. we have square root of 4 multiplied by 6 equal to x. This is same thing as square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 6 equal to x. And this is same thing as 2 root 6 equal to x. Now, this is the third value of x. These are our solutions. If you like, we can check. We use this last value of x and y in order to check the solution. Let's check. The equation is x to the power of root y minus y equal to 20. And our value of x is 2 root 6. We have 2 root 6 into square root of y. But our y in this last solution is 4. Then we use 4 minus y is 4. We put 4 equal to 20. Now we have 2 root 6 is same thing as square root of 4 is 2 minus 4 equal to 20. Therefore, if we expand this bracket, we are going to have 4 multiplied by 6 minus 4 equal to 20. Now, 4 multiplied by 6 is same thing as 24 minus 4 equal to 20. Then 24 minus 4 is 20 equal to 20. Then our solution is correct. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.